Hi, I am Beaver Buddy. Have you ever chased a song that hid among the stars? At the end of this story, you will find a moral that you will never forget. Beyond Moonlit Meadow, tiny Lumi, the firefly glowed in 7 shifting colors that hummed gentle, bravely inviting tunes only brave ears could hear. High above drifted Nimbus, a silver-striped kitten who surfed passing clouds like foaming waves, leaving paw prints of mist across the sky. Deep below, Echo the canyon stone whispered every word it ever heard, collecting voices and storing them in its amber veins, shimmering under moonlit dust. One dusk, Lumi's radiant hum faltered. The rainbow key that tuned her glow had vanished, and silence spread like shadowy fog across the valley. Lumi flickered sadly until Nimbus spiraled down on a gust, and Echo rumbled upward on wind-carried dust. Together, they vowed to find the key. Echo remembered a long-lost rumor of a door of whirling wind atop jagged Thunder Peak that opened only when 3 unusual hearts beat in perfect rhythm. The trio trekked through Marsh of Mirrors, where every step showed choices not taken. Their reflections urged caution, yet they pressed forward. At Vine Labyrinth, creeping ivy scribbled riddles in green. Lumi's colors illuminated hidden paths, while Nimbus clawed free tangled doubts. When rocky boulders blocked the path, Echo sang a volcanic note that resonated stones apart, revealing a spiral stairway glittering with fallen meteor dust. Wind howled colder as they climbed, Lumi's glow dimmed further, and the horizon bled gray, threatening to erase every color forever. Nimbus, usually fearless, trembled at thunder's growl. He feared falling through empty sky if his courage cracked like brittle ice. Lumi sparkled faintly, reminding Nimbus that even a fading spark can light the next step. Echo echoed the encouragement twice for strength. Near Thunder Peak's crown, they found the door of wind glass, invisible until hearts synced. Its outline shimmered with barely audible music. They tried to match beats. Lumi pulsed, Echo throbbed, Nimbus purred, yet the door stayed still, echoing a hollow chord of misalignment. Suddenly, a storm split the clouds, projecting Nimbus's shadow huge and dark. Inside that silhouette glinted 7 tiny rainbow facets. Echo gasped. The rainbow key had hidden inside Nimbus's own unacknowledged fear, waiting for him to see beauty even in his darkness. Nimbus inhaled, facing the looming shadow. With each steady breath, the facets merged into a radiant key forged of starlit courage. Holding the key, Nimbus aligned his heartbeat with Lumi and Echo. The door of wind glass dissolved, releasing a chorus of rising notes. Behind the door stretched Sky Library, shelves of glowing sounds, each labeled by forgotten dreams. Colors danced like playful dolphins. Lumi placed the rainbow key in her thorax socket. Her glow flared brilliant, painting the library in rolling waves of multicolored light. They collected a song for every lonely village below. Courage, laughter, wonder. Echo etched lyrics in stone shards for safekeeping. But a jealous wind wraith arose, craving the newfound chorus. Its icy fingers aimed to snatch songs and scatter them into silent void. Nimbus leapt on swirling drafts, steering the wraith away. Lumi blazed dazzling spectra that confused its sight, while Echo boomed warnings. Together, they spun a melody net, interweaving beats of trust. The wraith, tangled by resonance, softened into a gentle evening breeze. Relieved, They guided the breeze downstream, carrying fresh music to every hamlet, echoing through chimneys, wells, and fluttering curtains. Villagers gazed skyward as luminous patterns spelled gratitude. Children danced, their laughter sinking to Lumi's restored rainbow hum. Echo settled back into canyon bed, content with new verses. Nimbus circled higher, scattering silver paw dust that seeded small clouds. Under the velvet night, Lumi whispered thanks for friendship that saw light in shadow. Far below, Echo's final murmur pledged remembrance. Colors now danced in every wind gust. Even quiet corners hummed lullabies, reminding all that courage grows brightest when fear is faced, not fled. Moral: true courage is discovering the shimmering light hidden inside your own shadow, and sharing that glow to brighten every path you cross in the world. Remember, the sky now hums because 3 friends trusted their hidden light. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.